Hey everyone, welcome back to Sehat Mag. Today we're talking about something really cool, fennel seeds. These little guys are like health superheroes, and we're going to find out why they're so awesome for our bodies. Think of Sehat Mag as your guide to the wonders of nature, and today fennel seeds are the stars of the show. These tiny seeds might be small, but trust me, they've got big benefits for our health. So, why should you care about fennel seeds? Well, they can help your tummy feel better, keep your breathing in check, and even bring some extra nutrients to the party. Stick with us as we explore the magic of fennel seeds and learn how they can make a positive difference in our daily lives. Let's jump right into the world of fennel seeds and uncover the secrets that can make us healthier and happier. Overview of fennel seeds. Fennel seeds, derived from the Feniculum vulgar plant, are small oval-shaped seeds with a licorice-like flavor. Beyond their culinary use, these seeds have been valued for centuries for their medicinal properties. Digestive health. Fennel seeds are renowned for their digestive benefits. They contain compounds like anethole, which can help relax the digestive tract, reducing symptoms of indigestion, bloating, and gas. Chewing a small amount of fennel seeds post-meals is a simple and natural way to support a healthy digestive system. Rich in antioxidants. Antioxidants in fennel seeds, including flavonoids and polyphenols, play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to aging and various diseases. By consuming fennel seeds regularly, you're supporting your body's defense against oxidative stress. Respiratory benefits. The expectorant properties of fennel seeds make them beneficial for respiratory health. They can help break down mucus and soothe congestion, providing relief for conditions like coughs and bronchitis. Incorporating fennel tea or infusions into your routine may be especially helpful during cold and flu seasons. Stress relief. Let's talk about how fennel seeds can be your stress relief buddies. Inside these tiny seeds, there are special things like anethole and essential oils that can help calm you down. When you have a stressful day, sipping on fennel tea can be like a cozy hug for your mind. It's like a little break to unwind and feel more relaxed. Immune system support. Now let's chat about how fennel seeds can be like superheroes for your immune system. They're loaded with vitamin C, which is like a shield for your body against germs. By munching on some fennel seeds, you're giving your immune system the boost it needs to stay strong and fight off those icky bugs that might try to make you feel yucky. Anti-inflammatory properties. Time to uncover another cool thing about fennel seeds. They can help calm down inflammation in your body. Inflammation can sometimes cause problems like arthritis, but fennel seeds have these cool compounds that might make things better. So, adding a bit of fennel to your meals isn't just tasty. It could be like a little peace treaty for your body. Heart health support. Let's show some love to our hearts with the help of fennel seeds. These little seeds have something called potassium, which is like a friend to your blood pressure. Keeping your blood pressure in check is important for a happy heart. And by enjoying some fennel seeds, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're giving your heart a little high five. Hormonal balance for women. Ladies, this one's for you. Fennel seeds might be like magical helpers for balancing your hormones. They have these cool things that act a bit like estrogen, which can help keep your hormones in check. So, for those times when your hormones are doing a little dance, adding fennel seeds to your diet could be a natural way to find some extra balance and feel a bit more comfortable. Culinary uses. While fennel seeds offer numerous health benefits, they are also a versatile ingredient in the kitchen. You can use them in various culinary creations, such as spice blends, marinades, and teas. The unique and slightly sweet flavor of fennel seeds can enhance both savory and sweet dishes, adding a distinct touch to your meals. Conclusion. As we wrap up our exploration of fennel seeds, remember that these tiny seeds aren't just a flavorful addition to your pantry. They can also be a valuable ally in supporting your health. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on natural health and wellness. Thanks for joining us today.